The Financially Savvy Society is about empowering women to live fulfilled lives of abundance. We teach women the skills required to increase their personal finance knowledge so that they can make savvy, empowered decisions and build a life of financial security for themselves and their families. If you want that holiday, to build an investment portfolio, save for your kids' education, or that designer handbag or shoes, we put goals in place so that you can achieve them.
I'm excited to be part of the Financially Savvy Society because I think when you stop and you actually think about money, it's going to help me achieve my goals. I've never really set goals in the past because of fear of failure, but now I feel like I'm empowered enough to be able to achieve those goals.
My biggest money challenge is managing cash flow and making sure that I've got enough coming in to be able to meet the things that I want to do with the money coming out. What I love about the Financially Savvy Society is having really practical things to be able to go away and implement straight away.
We are an empowered group of women who are increasing their wealth and building our financial empires $1 at a time.